Good morning, everyone, to the Honorable Examiner and attendants. My name is Amegi Pratama, and together with my supervisor, Dr. Ari Ahmad Arman, I am pleased to present our research title, A Hybrid Adaptive Recommender System for Fair Promotion of Cultural Heritage Tourism, Mitigating Popularity Bias. In this presentation, we will explore a critical problem in digital tourism and propose a novel solution design to create a more equitable and effective recommendation experience. Let's start with the main problem, popularity bias. In the digital age, tourism recommender system have become essential tool, but they have a significant flaw. They have a strong tendency to only suggest destinations that are already famous, creating what we call a vicious cycle of inequality. Popular places get more popular, while valuable but lesser known cultural heritage sites are constantly neglected. The real world impact of the is strangering. Our analysis of tourism data from Sumedang Regency show the top 10 destinations dominate over 72% of all visits. This is not just a technical issue. It has real economic and cultural consequences. Previous research in this area has largely focused on improving recommendation accuracy, often overlooking other critical aspects like diversity and catalog coverage. This leads us to our main contribution. We propose a new architecture called hybrid adaptive. Through this work, we empirical prove that possible to overcome the long-standing accuracy diversity trade-off, simultaneously improve all the three aspects. To build our solution, we adopted the design science research methodology framework, which is ideal for creating and evaluating new technology artifacts. Our architecture shown here is a multi-stage data pipeline. The key to our approach lies in three specific parts. First, in the data processing stage, we don't use real-time data. Instead, to test our model adaptive capabilities in a controlled environment, we simulate contextual features like weather and social media trends. This allows us to see how the system would react to dynamic change. Second, in the model training stage, we use a stable collaborating filtering algorithm. And the third, the core of our innovation is the re-ranking and bias correction stage. Here we apply the maximal marginal relevance (MMR) algorithm, which is designed to actively increase the diversity of the recommendation by selecting items that are both relevant and distinct from each other. Now let's move on the result of our experiment. We compare our hybrid adaptive model against three baseline models using Indonesian tourism dataset from Kaggle. The result clearly show a comprehensive superiority. As you can see from the chart, we achieved a 34 increase in F1 score or accuracy compared to the static model. This means Our model is significantly better at predicting destination a user might like. But perhaps more importantly, the catalog coverage jumped drastically from 61% to 84%. This is critical finding. It means our system recommended from a much wider pool of destination, giving lesser known sites a real chance to be discovered, which, while the absolute F1 score is low, which is expected due to dataset high disparity and the long tail problem. The significant relative improvement demonstrate the effectiveness of approach in a challenging real-world scenario. We then conducted a deeper analysis of the relationship between accuracy and diversity. This chart shows the position of each model. The vertical axis represented accuracy, higher is better. The horizontal axis represents diversity. Farther to the right is better. The ideal position is therefore the top right quadrant. As we can see, our hybrid adaptive model successfully occupies this ideal position, outperforming all other models on both metrics. This is our main theoretical contribution. We provide strong evidence that, contrary to common assumption, you don't have to sacrifice accuracy to gain diversity. It is possible to design a system that is simultaneously more accurate and more diverse. So, how this how does this work in practice for a real user? Let's look at a case study for user 204. Without our optimization, the system provides a monotonous list recommending three culture theme destinations in a row. While relevant, this is not a very engaging experience. However, with our hybrid adaptive model, the MMR algorithm detects this reputation. After two culture recommendation, it intelligently insert a amusement park at the third position. This small intervention is what creates a more balanced, engaging, and ultimately more useful recommendation list. This qualitatively explain why our model achieved a higher diversity score and demonstrated its practical benefit to the user. In conclusion, our purpose hybrid adaptive architecture is proven to successfully mitigate popularity bias by simultaneously improving accuracy, diversity, and coverage. Our most significant contribution is the empirical evidence that the accuracy diversity trade-off is not an unbreakable rule. It can be overcome with smart architectural choice like multi-stage optimization. Of course, our research has its limitation, namely its reliance on offline evaluation. While these results are very promising, the crucial step is to conduct online evaluation through A/B testing. This would allow to us validate this finding in real-world setting by measuring actual user behavior and stratification through metric like click-through rate. We believe this work paves the way for fairer, more effective, and more engaging recommender system in the tourism industry and beyond. This concludes my presentation. Thank you for your time and attention. I'm now open for any question you may have. Thank you.